freshly waxed tile floor, corn dog setting, Regis Salon, Dalton, the Gap, the parking lot, Chick-fil-A, Sweet Factory, the Christmas store, Claire's, Penny, Abercrombie Fitch, Arcade Tokens, KB Toys, Payless, Yankee Candle, the mall fountain, the Pretzel Kiosk, Sbarro, movie theater popcorn, Cinnabon, the food court.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.